I waited for you in the rain, where the city fell silent, with an open heart and feet in the mud. Every drop that fell took a piece of me, and still I stayed until the end. Time moved on without asking forgiveness, but your name still sings through my guitar. And every note I let slip away is just longing trying to find its way. Oh, I waited for you in the rain, no umbrella inside, with a naked soul and faith not quite right. I waited in time, frozen in place, just to see if love would answer my face. I waited for you in the rain, no umbrella inside, with a naked soul and faith not quite right. I waited in time, frozen in place, just to see if love would answer my fate. The streetlights have long gone dark, but my chest still cries your name like a spark. In this dance between maybe and no, I stood still, trapped in your final hello. Friends said I should let you go, but none of them sleep in my sorrow. And if loving is wrong, I'll stay mistaken, for only in you my pain is shaken. For only in you my pain is shaken. I waited for you in the rain, no umbrella inside, with a naked soul and faith not quite right. I waited in time, frozen in place, just to see if love would answer my face. I waited for you in the rain, no umbrella inside, with a naked soul and faith not quite right. I waited in time, frozen in place, just to see if love would answer my fate. And if someday you choose to return, you'll find me right where I always burn. Heart in hand, voice about to break, still willing to love whatever it takes. I waited for you in the rain, and I still might, 'cause what's real never says good night. Even if life screams, let it go, I hold your absence like something